Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that the laptop which I got from the Infosys. The 2 day ago I got this laptop from the Infosys. It is the ProBook of HP, and I'm going to open this. Here you can see that this is the laptop I got. With this laptop I got this wired mouse, this charger, and the bag. This was packed inside this big box. So after the training you will get the laptop, you will get this ProBook, or you will get the ThinkPad of the Lenovo. Some of the friends got the ThinkPad and some got this ProBook. So after the training, when you are allocated to the project, you get the laptop from the company. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.